Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's finally update the analysis of the Bitcoin market. So on the monthly chart, we do not see something really new. Market stands tight around the achieved targets, 127 extension of this big ABCD all-time pattern. Actually speaking, in the current situation, this is a more bullish sign rather than bearish. And I see three reasons for that. First is, with this upward action, market directly has accelerated to the 127. Normally, in most cases, market shows the AB equal CD legs, so not should be the 1 ratio, but not 127. This acceleration suggests stronger bullish background here. Second, actually after reaching the overbought area on the monthly chart, we do not see any significant drops, so market mostly stands relatively tight around this area. That's actually the third reason. So we do not see actually really big pullbacks. Market stands near the all-time high, which might be the consolidation before the next attempt of the possible upper pickup. So potentially this actually not bad for the bulls. Actually, you could see something of this kind. Also tight standing, no big retracement, good acceleration before this action near the all-time highs and breakout. So, but currently we're mostly busy with the pattern that we have on the weekly chart. And this pattern calls double repo sell. We already talked about this. This is a potential target. But this week is very important for this pattern because by the Napoli rules, to confirm the pattern, market has to close for a second time below the 3x3. So we have the, after thrusting up, first close below 3x3, then close above and take it, creating the new top. So this is absolutely perfect for the double repo pattern. And now we need to get the close below once again. Only after that, pattern treats as confirmed. And that's most interesting moment for now. And in the beginning of the week, we said that, well, theoretically, you could trade could anticipate the possible confirmation trading the intraday steps, confirmation of this pattern, I mean. But at the same time, you have to keep an eye on the closing price by the end of the week, because if market will not be confirmed, your bearish positions will be at significant risk. And now take a look what's happening. So market shows pullback here and stands actually at the edge to be not confirmed. So it's actually market could close very easily above the 3x3 this week, because all this downward action has been played back and market return right back up in the middle of the range of the week. Besides here, we also could get this high wave pattern. By looking at the lower time frames, you could see the reasons for upward continuation really exist. So for example, on a daily chart, market remains in the same range. No downside breakout has happened. If you do not like the idea of the double repo, you could treat it just as a double top, for example. They are very different, but direction mostly the same. And take a look what has happened. Since market was really very overextended, this actually was the reason for our previous analysis where we said wait for a bounce. Well, very overextended, so no breakout of the neckline has happened. Market return right back up. So market remains in the same range and it's not broken down. So which means that it's also potentially, well, at least it's not bearish for now. The things that we see. Finally, we're coming to most interesting things for short-term trading, particularly speaking on the 4-time frame chart. We have this type of action. At the first glance, it's nothing interesting, but if you combine downside candles with the upside candles together, unfortunately, I do not have here a scale of the 8 hours, for example. But if you have it on your software, you could switch to the 4 hours. And you probably will get here a nicely looking bullish engulfing pattern. That actually pattern that bring the background for short-term trading. This might be the setup that might be interesting for short-term trading. Usually, in the most cases, the target of this any engulfing pattern is kind of the ABCD pattern on lower time frames. The target particular of this pattern stands around 107.60. It's the marking as the OP. At least for now, when this pattern stands valid and we do not see yet any big breakout to the downside, I wouldn't consider taking short position. Finally, on the hourly chart, you could see that market has shown this accurate 618 retracement with this ABCD performance giving us catalyst triple to buy or something this kind, and now it's turning up. So if you would like to take the long position, that's particularly the moment where you have to make the decision, because this is best area for decision making. You stand very close to invalidation point. If something will go wrong, your risk will be very small, at least minimal risk. Because once market start dropping and drop back below the 95 area, return back to the lows, that will be bearish and will destroy the short-term bullish context with this setup and could easily turn it to the butterfly shape with a breakout of the lows and downward continuation. So that's why this level where market stands is very important. In fact, this is invalidation points for this type of action. That's why the decision has to be made somewhere around. Finally, another reasons for our prediction is cross market. So you could see that the yields are dropping. Here, dollar forming bearish grabbers also turning down. So actually, that's the reasons why we're considering long positions on euro currency as well. So that's why I think that currently on the Bitcoin, it also might be some bullish ideas for this pattern. But at least if you do not like this particular stop, at least do not try to go against it for now, and be patient, wait when this will be over, either when you will see clear failure of this setup or when it will be completed. Currently, we think that, well, this background that we have is not very friendly for any short position by far.